Hey, so on this podcast, we bring on people who have had great breakthroughs in their life, and no one has ever just been at the top. They've always had some type of situation where they've been stuck, they made a pivot, and they were able to find their breakthrough. Is there a time in your life that stands out like this is the defining moment when I really broke through my challenging struggle time?
I think there were multiple. I kind of always viewed it as, there's like long plateaus, then there's breakthroughs, setbacks, another long
Totally.
plateau, and I feel like I've had a handful of breakthroughs. Probably one of the bigger ones being when I first got to Michigan, and just kind of wrestled with really being able to play at that level. And then once I kind of solidified myself there, then the next breakthrough became okay. How do I solidify myself as a professional player? And I think the most recent one being the breakthrough or the pivot that I made in my professional career, which really was kind of growing that deep resolve that I was good enough to be really an impactful NBA player, which was a process. It wasn't something that just kind of happened overnight.